everyone, my name is Chitransh along with my teammate Gyana. So in this video I will be presenting my end semester project on virtualization and cloud computing, which is based on tick stack system performance monitoring. So here we are going to use some Docker Compose YAML file as well as the container in InfluxDB in order to understand the system performance monitoring. Okay, so in the first step we need to use this Docker Compose file that we have created. So here what we have is that we have created the InfluxDB, the URL of the InfluxDB, as well as the volumes and the ports that we will be using in order to check our system performance, as well as the container. And we can see here the telegraph as well as its link, this volumes, and on the dependency the capacitor, volume and its dependency, as well as the chronograph, the URL, the volume, as well as the dependency. So this is the Docker Compose file in which we are going to execute on the command prompt based on the folders of the Docker folder. And similarly we are going to establish a connection in the InfluxDB in the Google Chrome web browser, and which we can check the performance of the dashboard based on different iterations. Okay, so this is the things. And similarly here we can see that we are having the Docker in which we can see all the things are running as per the expectation, like this chronograph, telegraph, influx, as well as the systems as well as the containers are running and they are giving the signal. So all the process we have executed in this file, like here we have this file in which we have executed the command, which is this Docker Compose up file. And here we can see that the signal we are getting all the from chronograph as well as the telegraph. And now we are going to show same thing, like how this backend signal is going to show the system performance in the Influx dashboard. Okay, we are going to see now. So this is the things that the YAML file that we have executed in this one, we have loaded and we have executed here, and how this one is related to the influx. Okay, so now this is the URL of this chronograph which we are getting affected, which we are linking it with the localhost 8088. Okay, and here the command, the YAML command with all the containers what we are running in the backend using CMD, everything will be committed. Okay, and it will displayed over here in the form of dashboard. Okay, so let us click getting started, and here we need to provide this connection URL in which we will give influx DB. Okay, so this is the connection URL InfluxDB, and the connection name will be influx, and here the username will be admin as well as the password will be admin. So here we are going to add connection, and here we can see that we have the list of dashboard that we are going to take. So similarly here we need to perform and we need to show with the system as well as Docker. So first we will select the system dashboard, okay, what we have in order to create one dashboard, and second we will select the Docker which we are running in the backend using CMD. Okay, so these two dashboards we have selected, and then we need to go ahead with the create dashboard. Okay, so this is the capacitor connection which we have created here. Okay, so everything will be shown here, and now we need to set up, we have to show the setup, and now we will see all the connection here. Okay, we will see all the connection here. And now if I will show this is the file that we have done, and this is our we can say that the final output that we got as a part of the container. Similarly it will show the statistics, or it will show the statistics of the system performance that we are running. Okay, and here this is the YAML file corresponding to that one, and here we have given the repository link, like how we are going, what is the Docker Compose YAML file that we have put it into the repository, and we have shown here. And this is the step-by-step process, that first we have prepared the Docker Compose file, then we need to establish the bridge connection, then we need to give the influx connection for the basic authentication. Whatever the Docker compose file we have, we need to execute in the CMD. Okay, and all the when the containers are running, we need to check the web browser in the Chrome and type the link localhost, which will generate to our localhost. Okay, so this is the overall process that we have shown. And in the InfluxDB dashboard, okay, in the InfluxDB dashboard, we are going to show how all the things are getting here. Okay, so this is all about my presentation video, okay, in which I have shown how I am running this backend one, okay, and how this YML file is running and how it is connecting to the localhost 8088, and similarly all the performance matrices that we are getting and how we are generating in this one that we have shown here. Okay, so all the content up here, and this is the YML file that is done from our side. Okay, so this is all about our presentation for this video. And yeah, so everything, all the setup is done, and I will be submitting all these codes. All the codes have been already being published into push to the Git, which I will be sharing the URL in my report. Okay, so this is all about my presentation, how we have. And one more time I can show this how we have executed. First we have created this uh, YAML file, and then we ran the command like docker container space up. We ran the command and we have shown like everything is running, and the system performance has been monitored very properly based on this using the InfluxDB what we have opened in the dashboard. So yeah, so this is all about my this presentation. And so we can see that all the chronograph, training and everything is coming here. And even in the Docker also we can see all the systems, all the containers and systems are running as per the expectations. Okay, so yeah, this is all about my presentation. So I will be submitting this video as well as presentation. So thank you all for this one.